Hi everyone, it's Gaylin. I'm here representing Unity Stamp Company. I'm one of their design team members. Today I'm going to show you how to create a fun and cute interactive card with a bird. It's really sweet. I'm using the kits by Unity called Interactive Verbiage. It includes this cute little frame, and I fussy cut the frame. And I used Birdie Conversation kit. The interactive kit includes cute little words that you can use depending on the kind of card you're going to make. You can do slider cards, and you can lift up, you can pull cards, etc. I'm using the one that says lift. I'm using My Mind's Eye double-sided paper, My Creative Time stitch rectangular dies, foam tape, Gina K Designs, jet black amalgam ink. Copic markers, they'll be listed on my blog. I use a mini Misty and a bone folder for scoring, and an X-Acto knife. That's what I'm going to use to cut out the middle part of the frame. Now I stamped on excess paper, watercolor paper that I did for a different project. I like to reuse any kind of excess leftovers. And so I'm stamping the birds just one pass. This ink was very wet, so I heat set the bird and the sentiment. I fussy cut the bird with scissors to cut him out, and I used a circle punch for the sentiment. Now I'm using a glass mat. I also used part of a Bo Bunny doily and attached to the frame. I used a glass mat for the X-Acto knife because I didn't want to damage my craft mat, and a ruler. I'm not sure if Unity is going to have cut files for this. Most likely they will, and you could use an electronic cutter to do the cutting part of it. But this makes a cute flip-up section of the frame. And I cut it on both sides and the bottom, and I left the top uncut, and I scored the top part of it so that it could flip up easier. This is a bone folder. It's used for scoring. You can also use a scoring board. So I make a nice crease so it's easy to flip up and down. Now I adhered the frame to another piece of pattern paper. I use flat double-sided tape for that. And I just make sure that none of the adhesive touches the middle part. And I'm going to add the bird and the sentiment to it later. I put a little piece of foam tape on the bird to make him pop up a little. And I used one of the sentiments, and I just adhered that to it as well. I decided the little bow needed some color, so I'm using some Copic markers. And I used 3 colors, R08, YR04, YR14, just to match the bird a little bit. And then for this panel, I added some more double-sided foam tape to this panel, and then I adhered it to the card base. And double-sided paper works really good with this kind of project because you have color or a pattern on both sides. So I'm just adhering the bird, and on the inside I'm going to put the sentiment. And I didn't use any foam tape for the inside because I wanted the front to lay down flat. It's cute. I just love how it turned out. I hope you like this. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.